Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the double-threaded rosette chain stitch. This is a variation on the rosette chain stitch. I started playing around with double threading different stitches, and this is one of them, along with the basque stitch, which I showed in another video, and I'll post that video up in the upper right-hand corner. I'll show you this stitch done in a couple of different threads and thread weights so you can see what it looks like. Don't forget to hit the like button, click on that subscribe button and the little bell that pops up for email notifications. I love hearing from you. Leave me comments in the comment section and grab something to stitch with, a needle and some thread, and let's explore the double-threaded rosette chain. A Silken Pearl and my 24-inch chenille, and I'm doing a rosette chain around this little leaf here. I'm going to start over here because I'm going to work to my left. So I'm going to come up, I'm going to go down, I'm going to wrap my thread around so it does a little figure 8 kind of thing. I'm going to go back down into this leg. Pull it through, and then I'm going to come up, wrap it around. I'm going to come through this leg right here. Come up, wrap this around. Alright, so there's my rosette chain, and now I've got a number 18 chenille with House of Embroidery number 5 weight. I'm going to go ahead and thread this. I'm going to start down here, and I'm going to thread this just the way I did the double-threaded basque stitch, the double-threaded back stitch. Any of the double-threaded, it's going to be the same. I'm going to come in and out, keep this really loose, or I can keep it pretty snug. I'm going to keep it pretty snug. And once I do this side, then I'm going to come back around and go the other way. So instead of going above this, I'm going to go below it. And that's why it's called double threaded. If I just wanted to do a threaded, would just leave it after this. I really like the effect of the double because it kind of gives it a ring around it. But this is pretty too. All right, so now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to end it here. And then I'm going to come back up. And by doing it in this contrasting color, I'm giving it a really different look to it than if I did it in the same color thread. I'm also doing it in a different weight. So the Silken Pearl is between a 5 and an 8, and this is a 5 weight pearl cotton. It's House of Embroidery. Okay, and I'm going to end it right there. So there's my double-threaded rosette chain using Silken Pearl for my rosette chain stitch and a number 5 weight House of Embroidery pearl cotton to thread it. This is a 5 weight, a variegated eleganza, Sue Spargo's variegated eleganza, and I'll go ahead and start doing my rosette chain around this sleeve. rosette chain in my number 5 weight elegance. Right, so I'm using Dazzle. This is Sue Spargo's Dazzle. It's 4149 on a 24 chenille. I could have done a 24 tapestry. I'm going to go ahead and start here where I come up, and I'll start threading. I'm going to end here so that I can bring my thread up again so that I can come over. So I'm just going to go back one stitch here, go down and come up, and I just continue. I wanted something with a little metallic to it, just to give it a little glimmer to it, a kind of glistening look. If I just used a plain sort of lime green, I thought it might just disappear. The glimmer kind of shouts, "Look at me," a little bit. That little strand of metallic catches your eye, adds a little interest. So the other thing about this is that if I had just done this rosette chain using this red, variegated red color, and then I'd gone back with maybe another, the same thread or a different, but also red, it would have been really, really bold. Adding this green with a little metallic just softens it a little bit, softens the redness. And I wanted to pick up this kind of orangey red that I saw in the polka dots of the fabric. That was the thinking behind this. And that's my end. So I'll go ahead and end my thread there. And as you can see, you could do this with seagrass, or, you could do it with any different kind of thread, any combination of threads too. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. And if you hadn't thought of double threading your rosette chain, maybe this will make you think twice and consider it. Don't forget to hit that like button and click on the subscribe button. I love hearing from you. Leave me comments in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description section because I'll leave these thread links to where you can buy these threads in the description section. Until next time, here's to stitching together.